Hello. Hello. How are you? I hope uh, everybody will be good, in a good health, and God bless all. I'm here to share my love song, When of Change, a song that I only dedicated for all the viewers, and especially to my special someone in my life. And I say that I'm so blessed, so blessed that I have someone so very godly person, and he always there for me to love me, and always I'm always appreciating him so much, and I hope you will be like this video cam song. I have no lovely voice, but I love to sing. But I'm so blessed. I'm so thanks to God that I have my own confidence to sing this song. I love song. I love all romantic songs and worship songs, especially, and always dedicated to God and to all people. When it change, and most of all, I miss you, darling, and you know that who you are. I follow the Moskva down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. And a summer night, soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of change. The world is closing in. Did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers? The future's in the air. I can feel it everywhere, blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in a world of change. Walking down the street, distant memories are buried in the past forever. I follow the Moskva down the Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow share their dreams with you and me. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in a world of change. The wind of change blows straight into the face of time, like a storm that will bring the freedom here for peace of mind. Ito balalakasin what my guitar wants to say. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, when the children of tomorrow dream away with you and me. Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, when the children of tomorrow dream away in a world of change. I love you, darling. I love you. And I miss you so much. And I hope you like my song for you. It's only for you and happily dedicated for you deep in my heart. I love you. You're the best, and God bless you all. And take good care always. And just pray. And then love each other. And have a nice day. Have a nice day, darling. And to all people who want to view my song, very romantic song. I'm sorry, I don't have a nice voice, but I'm so very confident in myself. If God give me a voice like this, thank you, Lord. God bless you.